My name is Patrick. I'll get boring in a few minutes. First, a handsome young devil who'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cell phones, bottles, hats, and of course, these little things. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt in the loop instead of strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have fear of flying or heights, you might want to whisper hidden money in the right. Okay, let's review. The seats you don't carry on outside. You have fear of heights. Keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice flight.
That's what going on. Going in the tower. Don't type center too.
Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff.